Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a DOOGEE X97 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So first of all, we will start with the customization of this mode, and after that I'll show much faster access to it. So let's begin with the settings, then let's find the display. And here we have to find the night light. As you can see, this is the name of the eye comfort mode in this device. So first of all, in order to turn it on here from this level, we can just tap on the switcher, and the screen will turn a little bit yellowish, maybe amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. So in order to also customize it, we have to just tap on this night light. And as you can see, we've got this color temperature switcher. By going to the left, which is right now set, the yellow tones will be much cooler than normally, and by going to the right we can make it warmer, so it's more dull and more amber, I would say. You can set the timing switch also, because right now you're using this option kind of manually, so you can turn it on and off manually, but you can set the timing switcher, which simply means that you can schedule it. You can pick the start and the end time based on your personal preferences, or you can set it from sunset to sunrise, and your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is, I believe, location based, so it's up to you. I prefer this manual option, so let me turn off this one. And basically this is the whole customization of this feature, and if you want to have much faster access to it, just unroll the top bar, unroll it fully, I mean, and here in this panel we have to find the night light. As you can see right now, it is of course turned on. If you want to turn it off, just tap on it and the screen will get back to its normal state. Of course, the same situation if you want to turn it on. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to enable the eye comfort mode in your DOOGEE X97 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.